All right, so again, the only way to add logs is to make sure that the bases are the same. These are both base 12, and that's good enough. So what we're going to do is multiply what's inside.
You want us to write this down?
Yes, so it'll be 1/16 times 1/9. Now, 16 times 9 is 144. 1 times 1 is 1, so it just becomes log base 12 of 144. Now, this one we can solve because, remember, a logarithm is an unknown exponent. So 12 to what power gives you 144? We know, yes, good. We know that 12 squared is 144. In order to make it a fraction and put it under 1, the exponent would have to be negative. So the answer is going to be -2.
What do you do if the bases are not?
If the bases are not the same, you have to do another technique that we're not going to learn.
Okay.
Good question, though.